Hello, and I am at Wolverton. There is a London North Western Railway lot of Class 350s. We just arrived and I just saw this come in, so I decided I might as well start filming. 350 121's on the rear, don't know what's on the front. Yeah, so today we'll be seeing services by London North Western Railway, Avanti West Coast, and hopefully some freight as well. Anyway, so let's spot some trains. Okay, so the London North Western Railway service to London Euston is now departing. So 350 120 is on the front.
Wow.
Okay, right there's 390 118. Working Avanti West Coast service from London Euston. Okay, so right there is the London North Western Railway service from London Euston to Stafford. 350 116 is leading, and there's an Avanti West Coast Class 390 Pendolino behind it. 390 115. Oh. And 350 127 is on the rear of this. Okay, so the London North Western Railway service from London Euston to Stafford is now departing. And there was an Avanti West Coast Class 390 Pendolino passing by to London Euston behind this London North Western Railway, but I couldn't film it because it was blocking it out. Okay, so right there is an Avanti West Coast Class 390 Pendolino. Working service to London Euston, about to pass by. 390 045. Okay. Another Avanti West Coast Class 390 Pendolino. I couldn't catch the number on that. Okay, so that was from London Euston to Edinburgh Waverley. Okay, so right there is a D. Actually, is that DB? I think it is. 66 770. So I think that was 66 770, I believe. That was actually GBRF. Okay, so right there is an Avanti West Coast Class 390 Pendolino. This is working service to London Euston. 390 008 on our way to London Euston. Okay. That's 350 122, which I nearly missed, and behind that is the 1348 London North Western Railway service to London Euston. This is delayed by about like 10 minutes, I think. 350 249 is leading. It's really hard to catch the trains when they pass by at this station because it's so because you've got that bridge in the way. Anyway, 350 235 is, I think it'd be bringing up the rear. Okay, so the London North Western Railway service from Birmingham New Street to London Euston is now departing. Thank you. Nice toot tone there. Here is an Avanti West Coast Class 390 Pendolino. £390,107 going to London Euston. Okay, so right there is a London North Western Railway pairing of Class 350s about to pass by working service to London Euston. 350,258 leading and 350,250 on the rear. Okay, and right there is the London North Western Railway service to Birmingham New Street via Northampton from London Euston. 350,259 is leading. Okay, so the London North Western Railway service to Birmingham New Street via Northampton from London Euston is now departing. Oh wait, there's nothing on the rear because there is no rear. It's just one train on its own. And that London North Western Railway pairing of Class 350s, which we saw pass by to London Euston, was from Crewe. Which there wasn't an announcement for, so I actually nearly missed. I think that's from London Euston to Birmingham New Street. And right there is an Avanti West Coast Class 390 Pendolino from Wolverhampton to London Euston. £390,011. Okay. 390,016 working service from London Euston. Don't know where to. In fact, actually, that might be the train to Birmingham New Street. Yeah, I think that was the train from London Euston to Birmingham New Street. Okay, so right there is the London North Western Railway service from Stafford to London Euston. I think it's just one Class 350. Um, 350,119. Okay, so the London North Western Railway service from Stafford to London Euston is now departing. And right behind this is the Avanti West Coast Class 221 service from Holyhead to London Euston. 221,107. Okay, so we're about to have an Avanti West Coast Class 390 Pendolino pass by working service from Manchester Piccadilly to London Euston. £390,136. Okay. That is £390,104 from London Euston. Don't know where it's to. Okay. That's £390,157. Okay, and 390,157 is working Avanti West Coast service from London Euston to Glasgow Central. Okay, so right there is the London North Western Railway service from London Euston to Liverpool Lime Street via Birmingham New Street. 352.38 is leading. And 351.28 is on the rear. The London North Western Railway service from London Euston to Crewe is now departing. No, not to Crewe, to Liverpool Lime Street. Okay, so right there is the London North Western Railway service from Birmingham New Street to London Euston. Uh, 352.44 is leading. And right behind it, the London North Western Railway service from London Euston to Crewe just passed by. And 350.113 is on the rear. The London North Western Railway service from Birmingham New Street to London Euston is now departing. And we also had an Avanti West Coast Class 390 Pendolino pass by to London Euston behind it. Okay, so right there is an Avanti West Coast Class 390 Pendolino. .148 is working a service from London Euston to Manchester Piccadilly. And right there is the London North Western Railway service from London Euston to Stafford. 352.40 is leading. And 352.37 is trailing. Okay, now the London North Western Railway service from London Euston to Stafford is now departing. We had an Avanti West Coast Class 390 Pendolino pass by to London Euston behind it. Anyway, so this is going to be the last train of this video. So if you did enjoy, please make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you want to leave a comment, I will try to respond to it. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.